What's up, guys? We're out here with Carson today.
What's up, guys?
We got the Bronco, the Tacoma, and the boat, and finally get to make a video showing you guys the trucks off-roading, because we always talk about them. And so we're out here today at Lake Matthews, and I've never been here. Carson, what are your initial thoughts on off-roading here?
A lot of hills and stuff. Pretty flat, but can find some cool jumps or something.
Yeah, so we'll find ways to test the trucks, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so we found our first little jump, and Carson's gonna hit it a couple times and then I'll hit it after him, but this is it right here. I don't know if you can even see it on camera, but it's pretty sweet. Smooth.
Alright, guys, now Mac's gonna hit the jump. Let's see what he can do here. Nice.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna get a little in-car footage of Carson's Tacoma hitting that jump over there. We drove around for a while, hit some trails, didn't really find anything cool. It's kind of, if we had dirt bikes, these trails would be better, but this jump's pretty sweet for the trucks and shock tuning, so gonna hit it with Carson. What's up, Carson?
What's up?
How do you like it out here so far?
It's alright.
Not the desert, huh?
Nah.
That's
it's cool though. It's pretty not too far.
Yeah, definitely not too far. If you guys want to know more about this truck, we have a lot of videos on the channel of us, Carson building it and going over all the specs and stuff, so check it out. Oh, radio mode. That was pretty smooth.
Yeah, not bad. Bottom could use some bumps for sure.
Yeah.
Hydraulic bumps.
Felt good though. Alright, so we're gonna let the motors and all the shocks and everything cool down. And Carson's power steering needs to cool down, so we're gonna hang out. We're gonna tune the shocks a little bit. I'm gonna do one more turn on the lower compression on the rear, and then yeah. Alright, so we hit it in my truck a couple times. We're trying to figure out why the front end keeps coming up after the land. The rear feels good though so far. We adjusted the compression a little bit. Rebound we didn't mess with because it felt good, but Carson's about to hit it now. So let's see what he can do. Alright you guys, so in the past couple minutes, some interesting things have happened. We got pulled over by a highway patrol guy. I don't even know how he got out here, but he pulled us over and just said he's just making sure that we're not doing anything shady, I guess. I don't know, it's kind of weird. And now I think this is where they have Corona Bonfire. This is a Corona Bonfire spot. So I'll try to get you some in-car footage following Carson. And then I also got stuck on this super sandy hill. Super loose dirt, a lot of dust. But we made it down, it's just kind of scary. Right now we're trying to get to the lake from these trails because we're at Lake Matthews. Just trying to find the lake by driving through some of these dirt trails. So far the Bronco's handling pretty well with the new bypasses in the rear. We jumped it a couple times and made some adjustments. We adjusted the compression about a turn on the top tube. We might adjust it and put another turn into the lower compression tube. But other than that, it feels good. Super stoked to be out off-roading today. Alright, we're gonna keep driving and we'll get back to you when we find a cool spot or a cool jump or something. Hang on, let me try that again. I was in second.
I'm recording.
Alright you guys, so we found this little sand spot. It's pretty dusty, so we're drifting the corner, and now we're gonna go hit this little jump, so see how that does. So Carson's gonna come through here and hopefully hit this jump right here. Be pretty cool. Try to park out of his way so he doesn't hit me or anything. Oh, got an Infinity coming in here, which is interesting. Alright, you guys, checking in again. We hit that jump, and it wasn't much of a jump because you can't hit it straight on, so you kind of had to hit it with less speed than you need to jump it, and it's kind of at an angle, so didn't really jump it, but I'll throw the clips in because it looks pretty cool coming up to it and actually going over it, because you can see it droop out, the suspension. So right now, I don't even know if you guys can see. There it is. Got Carson's Tacoma. Oh, there he is. And we're gonna go to McDonald's and look at some of these clips, so yeah.